Hello everybody, this is 10 days to go for a new shoulder and I'm looking forward to having that done. I have another one of those nights, and those of you who have had pain and shoulder pain and looking to get that fixed, don't wait if you have had this going on. And I think I'm going to show on the next slide, I had rotator cuff surgery back in 2005, and the doctor told me then that I think he'll be 5 years, 8 years that I would be able to keep that rotator cuff going, and it's been much longer than that, and I think I waited way too long before I went ahead and had the actual replacement that I needed to have done probably 2 years ago. And I've already kind of explained that. I'll talk about it again today on this video. And also I mentioned the opioids that I'm going to have to take. I didn't lean into that, but I kind of talked about being in pain management. I was in there before. I did several years having epidurals and having to be on heavy duty drugs, including sodium morphine. And I got off of all that stuff. It took a long time, and I get to go and look at this stuff. Let's turn around and look at something prettier back there. And this is not pretty, but that back there is okay. But I was in pain management also. I found other methods to take care of self-medication. And it's taken a lot of years, and I'm going on with years to kind of take care of that wreckage. And it's working out for me now. I do meditation, and my medication is cannabis. I kind of showed you a little clue there, but that works a lot better than I think any kind of other things that can help with pain or other issues that you might have. Oh, that's just me. But anyway, that's the end of that. Also, that other drug there, it's a generic for Narcan, which is a life-saving drug, and that's a good thing. I'm going to put that in my glove compartment. If I read the instructions, maybe it can't be kept in a hot place. It gets hot in that car, so maybe I may keep it in my purse or keep it locally. And that's a good thing. I'm happy about that. I'm glad that's in my possession and that I've got that in case something comes my way. Who knows? When you get things that fall in my lap, there's a reason for that. Hopefully it's not for me. That's the important thing. So Sky is not bugging me right now to go take a hike because she's been down there digging a hole. She's after a squirrel or something in there. And I'm going to go ahead and get my sticks on, put on some music, and try to get in only about a mile today. If you ever hear that going on in this country and you're not near a Marine base, I would be frightened. This is basically a before shot, so in an upcoming video, I'll splice this in with an after. If we get the rain they say we're going to get. This is pretty busy right through here. And there's that man root we went through the other day. That thing goes way up in that tree. And that's getting bigger. That one is bigger. Ooh, look at this stuff. I haven't seen this. That is really pretty. And it goes all the way up in the tree. I'm It's way over there too. And avocados. Right there. Can you spot him? This guy does not like the idea of that coyote being up there. And she's on her way to take care of business, I think. There are 3 of them up there. So that one's watching us. What's he gonna do? I think she spots him. Where are you at? I lost you. Oh, there you are. Where are you at? Oh, they are so hard. There you are. Can you see it? They are so hard to see. There's another one. There it is right there. The minute I head up that way, they will split. Well, that's some good content. That's as far as this iPhone will zoom in, and we get any closer, they'll be gone. So that's as close as we get a look. Well, I'll tell you what, maybe I can edit this to zoom in even more. Oh, she or he is having a fit. Let's see what Sky's doing. I guarantee you she will not let any of those animals get anywhere near me. And I got these sharp sticks, so I'm not worried a bit. Where did you go? You like disappear. I literally cannot see that dog, that coyote again. Oh, there it is. There it is. Okay, I think I spotted it. There she is, right there. Right there. Okay, let's keep walking. We got a long ways to go. She is not going to give up. She'll chase them coyotes. They're up there now. They're looking at us. See, I don't think that coyote sees me. I see the coyote. That is hard to see. He's a brazen person, the dog. He's a brazen coyote. There he is. There you are. Boy, we got lots of coyote video today. That's one up there on the top of the hill having a fit. She's calling the other one back. Where'd Sky go? There she is. Oh, it's hard. My fingers are cold and my screen's not reacting. There she is. We'll leave them critters alone. We'll keep walking. I'm finishing up our walk. I have a couple pictures of some beautiful avocados. And this is a crazy lime. It's called a caviar lime. If you break it open and you squeeze it, the pulp comes out like little balls of caviar. And they're really kind of fun. This one's an old one, but if you get a great big fresh one, they just come squirting out of there like little balls of caviar. Really cool stuff. And I just popped that right in my mouth and little vitamin C. Hi everybody. I'm going to finish the video off for today right here. I'm cold and oh, you're here. And she's still here with me. She hasn't gone home yet. And I need to get a good brush for her. Oh, she's like a big giant fur ball. She didn't do a whole lot of swimming today, and as you'll see in the video. But I'm kind of finished with this one today. We have a big storm coming in, and it's going to start raining in about 20 minutes or so. And I'm going to teach myself how to do better job editing, including the sound and all that kind of thing. So anyway, if you're watching today, this is the end of day 10. I'll be going on to day 9, and I'll be talking about all kinds. Don't jump on here, stop it, quit, settle down. I'll be talking about what am I going to do for dressing and all of that stuff coming up in the next 9 days tomorrow. Thank you for watching. It's starting to rain. Okay, got another avocado. Oh my goodness. No wonder she doesn't eat a lot of dog food. She gets good food too.